Only JCS helps you create true, continuous, on-demand blending standardization, so your blend is exactly the same every time. How do we achieve this desirable outcome? By first metering every step of the blending process, then instantly correcting any variances in real time. Through advanced algorithms and engineering know-how, we tighten your specs, eliminating the problems associated with old-school ratio solutions, like having to correct post-batch or post-blend. Whether your flow is in fractions or hundreds of gallons per minute, deliver product on demand to your process or filler. The JCS continuous standardization advantages continue to flow. Change over fast with minimal time and material loss. Eliminate or reduce the number and size of your processing tanks. And use smaller piping and pumps while eliminating the need for multi-batch tanks. Take advantage of bottom-line benefits, no matter what industry you're in. With better blending standardization for everything from milk and juice to mayonnaise, beer, wine and spirits, and many others. With JCS, you have the ability to produce repeatable, precise formulations, product after product, day after day, from first drop to last. Talk to JCS and discover the new standard in blending standardization.